the wheel as me, Ryan, and all my friends.
Oh, hell no!
No, don't rain on me!
So this game is called Race with Ryan. This is the actual trailer for it, and I'm not even impressed with this. Basically, this is a Mario Kart ripoff with the worst graphics for the PlayStation 4. And really? This is for a PS4, and this is just how cracked the graphics are. So when is the game going to be released?
Race with Ryan, coming out November 2019.
It's gonna be fun.
No, it's not going to be fun. This is the most ridiculous logo I've ever seen, including the ridiculous box art as well. Buy that game today! No, I would rather play Mouse Kart 2008 for the PlayStation 2. Or even Motor Combat. Excellent choice. Why did you call a game shitty? Play the shitty game right now.
Hell no!
Let me give you a backstory if you guys are confused about it. Ryan's Toy Reviews is a YouTube channel that has 20 million subs. But is his stuff good? You see what I mean? They are terrible!
Power up with surprise eggs!
Surprise eggs!
Wanna see a T-pose dinosaur? Here he is!
Will you be the fastest racer?
Nope, I'm not, because I'm not getting the game. Do not buy the game, because it may have a ton of bugs and glitches, and it may be a terrible game. Don't.